Texas is in the grip of Hurricane Beryl, and the situation is escalating by the minute. In the early hours today, Hurricane Beryl made landfall in Texas, bringing with it devastating winds and torrential rains. Over 1.5 million Texans are currently without power, a number surpassing the outages seen during May's derecho. The hurricane's center is now about 55 miles south-southwest of Houston, moving north at 12 miles per hour. With sustained winds of 80 miles per hour and gusts reaching up to 94 miles per hour in Freeport, the storm's impact has been catastrophic. Tragically, a man in Harris County lost his life after a tree fell on his home. Sheriff Ed Gonzalez confirmed the incident, calling it a heartbreaking tragedy. Authorities are urging residents to stay indoors and follow all safety guidelines. The fire department and emergency services are working tirelessly to manage the crisis, but the situation remains critical. Stay tuned for more updates and remember, your safety is paramount. Follow official channels for the latest information and stay safe, Texas.